everyone, and welcome back to another unlock tutorial from unlockresellers.com. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the FRP lock from the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G model A146U using SIM Unlocker Pro. First, open the SIM Unlocker Pro tool and log in with your account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new account directly from our website. From the main screen, press the FRP button. A pop-up will appear. Here, make sure to select MTK-BROM mode, then agree to the price by clicking OK. Now power off your phone completely and connect it to your PC with a USB cable. The phone should be detected in preloader mode. Before doing this step, it's very important to have the MediaTek USB drivers installed on your computer. You can download them directly from the SIM Unlocker Pro download page. SIM Unlocker Pro is a lightweight and powerful tool that works on a wide range of MTK-based Samsung devices. Whether your phone connects in preloader mode, enters BROM using volume buttons, or requires a test point, this method supports many different models. One of the best things about SIM Unlocker Pro is that you don't need a yearly subscription. You only pay for the credits you actually use, which makes it an affordable option for both small repair shops and independent technicians. Back to the process. Once the device is detected, just wait a few seconds and let the tool handle the rest. The FRP lock will be removed automatically. You can get SIM Unlocker Pro credits and other professional unlocking tools at unlockresellers.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy unlock tutorials. See you in the next one.